Friends, picture the charm of your old house, rich with memories and history. Now imagine breathing new life into it with touches of modern luxury. Together, we'll craft a space that not only honors its past, but also embraces a sophisticated, contemporary elegance that feels deeply personal. So let's dive in. Imagine stepping into a room where the past whispers through aged wood and time-worn bricks, and then, amidst this nostalgic embrace, your eyes meet a striking black accent wall. It's more than just paint or design. It's an invitation to merge history with the now, creating a space where old meets new in the most elegant of dances. This black wall, deep and velvety, adds an unexpected layer of sophistication to the house. It anchors the room, drawing the eye and commanding attention without shouting. There's a quiet power in that darkness, a modern touch that elevates and rejuvenates the charm of an old home. Think about it. Black is timeless. It's the color of the night sky, infinite and full of potential. By introducing it into an old house, you're not merely decorating, you're crafting a narrative. The rich, dark hue becomes a canvas that highlights the character of aged materials, making every detail. The grain of old wood, the texture of vintage wallpaper, stand out more vividly. As you stand before this wall, you might feel a connection, a resonance with the strength and elegance it exudes. It speaks to your sense of style, your desire to blend the luxurious with the lived-in, the modern with the historical. It's a testament to your vision, transforming a mere structure into a sanctuary of refined taste and deep-rooted beauty. So, embrace the black accent wall. Let it be a symbol of how you honor the past while welcoming the present. In this union of eras, your home becomes more than just a dwelling. It becomes a masterpiece of luxurious, modern living. Picture those walls, worn by years of stories, now adorned with a shade of gray so subtle and sophisticated, it breathes new life into the space. Gray accent walls transform an old house, not by erasing its history, but by honoring it, wrapping it in a luxurious cloak of modern elegance. Gray is a color of balance, the perfect mediator between the boldness of the contemporary and the charm of the antique. It whispers sophistication without shouting, inviting you to sink into its depth. It's a color that knows how to highlight the intricate details of a vintage home, the molding that frames each door, the cracks that speak of a life well lived. Gray doesn't overshadow, it illuminates. So friends, when you choose gray for your walls, you're choosing a canvas that allows your home to evolve. It's a shade that can carry the weight of history while embracing the freshness of modern design. It's like an elegant, whispered promise that the beauty of the past will always have a place, even as you move forward. And isn't that what we all crave? A sense of continuity, a seamless blend of where we've been and where we're going. So as you stand in that room, surrounded by the echoes of the past, let the gray accent walls remind you that luxury isn't about opulence. It's about the quiet confidence to honor your history while embracing the future. It's about creating a space where every detail, every shadow, and every beam tells a story of timeless elegance. Let the gray be your bridge, connecting the grandeur of yesterday with the sleek sophistication of today. Picture it, a rich, deep green enveloping one wall, grounding the room with a sense of calm and sophistication. This shade is not just a color, it's a statement. It's a bridge between the old and the new, a hue that honors the past while boldly stepping into the present. The dark green is reminiscent of lush forests and serene gardens, bringing a slice of nature indoors, creating a sanctuary within your home. This color has a way of elevating the space, making it feel both luxurious and modern. It's in the way the light dances off the walls, how the green deepens in the evening shadows, creating an intimate, cozy atmosphere. It's the perfect backdrop for your treasured antiques, your modern art, your life story. So, as you stand in your home, imagining the transformation, know that dark green is more than a design choice. It's an embrace of elegance, a nod to history, and a step into a more beautiful future. This is your space, your story, and with each brushstroke, you are weaving luxury and modernity into the tapestry of your home. Friends, the simple act of playing with different color accents and geometric patterns can transform an old house into a canvas of luxury and modernity. It's like bringing a timeless melody into harmony with contemporary rhythms, blending the past with the present in a way that feels both intimate and profound. Geometric patterns, with their crisp lines and intriguing shapes, weave a narrative of order and creativity. They speak to the modern soul, craving structure, yet yearning for a touch of the avant-garde. Imagine a wall adorned with a mosaic of triangles, or a chevron pattern running boldly across a hallway. These designs echo the pulse of contemporary life, the balance between chaos and symmetry, the dance between tradition and innovation. As you stand in that rejuvenated room, you can feel the energy shift. The house, once tired and weary, now breathes with renewed vitality. It's not just a visual transformation, but a spiritual one. The walls, now vibrant and alive, tell a story of resilience and reinvention. They remind us that change is possible, that even the oldest, most familiar places can become sanctuaries of modern luxury. Join me on a journey where each video paints a brushstroke of creativity, and every room unfolds a unique story. Let's discover the secrets of style and comfort together. Subscribe now and let my shared passion transform your living spaces into havens of beauty and joy. Textured accent walls have this magical ability to transform an old house into a luxurious sanctuary, weaving modern elegance into the very fabric of its history. Picture the sunlight gently caressing a textured wall, casting playful shadows that dance and shift with the day. This is more than just a design choice. It's a tactile experience, inviting you to reach out and feel the intricate patterns beneath your fingertips. The texture adds depth and dimension, turning a simple wall into a canvas of artistry and craftsmanship. When you walk into a room with a textured accent wall, there's a palpable sense of luxury. It's in the way the light interacts with the surface, the subtle play of shadows creating a dynamic, living artwork. This is where the past and present converge, where history is not erased but celebrated in a modern context. Paint with light upon these textured walls. For light, my friend, is not just illumination, but a magician's touch upon rough-hewn stone. It whispers secrets of forgotten elegance and wraps our humble abode in a cloak of grace. Imagine with me, if you will, how each flicker, each subtle glow brings forth the hidden hues and textures, transforming age into a tapestry of modernity. In the gentle embrace of these luminous strokes, old memories shimmer with a new allure. Each crevice kissed by the soft caress of light becomes a testament to timeless beauty reborn. Wainscoting transforms an old house into a sanctuary of sophistication. Each panel, meticulously crafted, adds a layer of depth and texture, turning ordinary walls into canvases of art. The wood, with its rich grains and warm hues, invites you to run your fingers along its surface, connecting you to the artisans who poured their skill and passion into every inch. In choosing wainscoting, you're making a statement. You're saying that you value the craftsmanship of the past and the elegance it brings to the present. It's a nod to the heritage of the home, but also a bold step into the future, blending classic charm with modern sensibilities. So, let these walls speak. Let them tell a story of transformation and timeless beauty. In every glance, every touch, you'll find a connection not just to the house, but to the very essence of what makes a home truly luxurious and enduring.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.